How to enable installing unknown apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to allow specific apps to install files from outside the Play Store. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, tap on More Security Settings to open additional security options. At this point, tap on Install Unknown Apps, which you'll find sitting just above the Device Admin Apps option. In the next step, you'll see a list of all the apps currently on your device that could potentially be used to install files from outside the Play Store. Following this, find the specific app you want to allow. For example, if you're installing an APK through Chrome, find Chrome in the list. Once done, tap the toggle next to it to allow that app to install unknown apps on your device. From here, if you want to allow multiple apps to do this, just go through the list and toggle on each one individually. Finally, keep in mind that only enable this for apps you fully trust. Allowing unknown app installs from untrusted sources can put your device at risk, so always be careful about what you're installing. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable unknown app installs on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.